Does this area look familiar? It does. It's because we did this Watahita. Remember that? Does this look familiar? Yep. If you guessed there was a fire, you would be correcto mundo. Watch out for nails. Back of the building. Crazy, huh? So the story is, it's all over the news. See that little Ring camera right there? That camera picked up some guy coming back here. He had a scooter and he went right back here. I'll try to put the video of that in this video. I don't know if I can do that or not, but came back here, he just lit something on fire, and then a couple minutes later this whole thing was on fire. So it started here, and then the fire was so big, there were power lines across here. Yeah, you can see them right here. That the fire melted them and popped them, whatever. And the fire was just so strong it blew out all these windows and, you know, kind of messed up the building a little bit. Nobody got hurt. The building is largely fine. The meters are fine. So, pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. This was like a 1996 Impala SS. It hadn't moved in like 10 years. It was a piece of junk. I don't even think it had tires on it. Actually, it did. Look at that. All the tires were burned up on the cars. That's wild. But I was here the other day and there was no smoke, right? And I was literally in front of the building, kind of on the side over here, maybe like 2 buildings down. And just being near this made my clothes smell like I had been in a campfire. It's wild. But anyway, I am here. Wow, it melted these. Wow. That's wild. That is freaking wild, dude. Well, I'm here to replace these. I had a dream last night that I came over here to fix this stuff and they had concreted the pool and there was no pool anymore. Why did I just tell you that? Okay, so I'm gonna need look at that. Was that 3/8 copper? It is, huh? Charred all of this. Look at that. That's crazy. Probably gonna need to repipe it from down there and bring it all the way over just to, you know, I don't know. This is a little bigger job than I thought. I gotta call the pool guy to figure out what I gotta replace this blade, dude. Hang on. I don't know if these are some kind of there you go. I don't know if these are some kind of special anti-siphon valves or what, but I mean, I'm used to the Zern ones, I think, or right? I think they're Zern, the brass one. Oh man, the clean out got messed up. I installed that about six months ago. Well, that's unfortunate. I'll have to bust that open. It melted the cap, or the thread thing right there. To bust this out, redo it. So I guess I'm gonna, I mean, this looks, is this all charred or what? I think I'm gonna redo that. I mean, look at that. That's really crummy looking. How you doing?
Fine.
Just wanted to fix this leak.
Does the water heaters actually work?
Yeah, the water heater is fine. I just checked it.
We have hot water?
No, because it needs electricity.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but I guess they're gonna check it out, and then LADWP will come and turn everything back on.
Oh, that would be good.
I need to get a new blade for this, dude. Golly. Oh, this just snapped off right here. So, okay, so I'm gonna cut it back here. And I'm just gonna break this, bro. The copper's not even, it just snaps right off, dude. Throw it in the rubble. Just unthread that. There you go. Just gonna press it real quick, get it over with. I'm just gonna run copper. I was always taught that we'll just run copper to this. I was always taught that if someone can step on it, you want to hard pipe it, right? So, I mean, I know it's under the stairway there, but it just look nicer with copper. And I got some, I got these old things left over, so. We've been bouncing around back here for ages. You're working with plastic, you always want to do male to female. Because if this was male and this was female, you can tend to crack the fitting, whereas this is much less likely to crack. So we're just gonna glue it onto that. Spun it a few times just to really make sure that we get a good solvent weld. I can't tell if this is paint on here or what, but I tried to clean it off and I don't know. But I used plenty of primer. So, alright, that's good enough. All right, check it. Put the water on. Nice. All right. I don't know what this one's to. I have a feeling this one's dead, but I don't know. We'll still install it. I don't think anybody knows, but okay. The water's on. I don't know what it is, but these things are beautiful. That brass, beautiful. All right, run the copper over. See how long it is. As you can see, I had to cut it here because when I press that, I didn't put the copper behind this. Annoying. But whatever. Water's on to both. We're good. Just need a coupling and then we're done. Alright. That's all. I'll get them back up and running for now. Ugh. I'm gonna keep this one off because I don't know what that goes to. We'll keep that one on for the pool guy. And then they should just repipe this. If they actually use this, they should repipe it because that looks cruddy.